Adding red cabbage to your sauerkraut not only boosts its nutritional value but also adds a pop of color, making your meals more appealing. By incorporating this vibrant, healthful, and delicious sauerkraut into your diet, you'll be taking a significant step toward improved health and well-being. So why use red cabbage? Red cabbage, unlike its green counterpart, contains a wealth of anthocyanins. These naturally occurring pigments lend the cabbage its vibrant hue and are powerful antioxidants. Antioxidants help in neutralizing harmful free radicals in our bodies, thereby aiding in the prevention of inflammation, heart disease, and certain types of cancer. Certainly, the addition of red cabbage to sauerkraut amplifies its already significant health benefits. Red cabbage is a nutrient-dense food that can enrich your sauerkraut with a variety of essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Hello and welcome to the Very OK channel. Today, we're delving into the incredible benefits of adding red cabbage to your sauerkraut. But before we get started, please take a moment to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more great content. Now, let's dive in. Rich in antioxidants, red cabbage is renowned for its high antioxidant content, which comes from its vibrant pigments called anthocyanins. These compounds can help protect your cells from damage by free radicals, reducing your risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease and cancer. Boosts immune health. Red cabbage is a fantastic source of vitamin C, even more so than oranges. This nutrient is vital for immune function, helping your body fight off infections and diseases. Promotes gut health. Like green cabbage, red cabbage also ferments into a probiotic-rich food. These beneficial bacteria are crucial for maintaining a healthy gut microbiome, which plays a key role in digestion, immune function, and even mood regulation. Supports eye health. Red cabbage contains beta-carotene, a compound that your body can convert into vitamin A. This vitamin is essential for maintaining healthy eyes and could help prevent age-related macular degeneration. Aids in weight management. Both red and green cabbage are high in fiber yet low in calories, making sauerkraut a great addition to a weight management diet. The fiber can help keep you feeling full, reducing the likelihood of overeating. Supports bone health. Red cabbage provides a good amount of vitamin K, a nutrient that plays a crucial role in bone health. It aids in bone formation and strength, potentially reducing the risk of osteoporosis. Improves skin health. The high vitamin C content in red cabbage is also beneficial for skin health. It aids in collagen production, a protein that keeps the skin firm and reduces signs of aging. Supports heart health. Red cabbage contains potassium, a mineral that helps regulate blood pressure levels, supporting overall heart health. The intricate art of fermentation has been practiced for centuries across a multitude of cultures. This ancient process not only helps preserve food but also enhances its nutritional value, creating delicacies that are both delicious and beneficial for our health. One such food is sauerkraut, a time-honored dish made from fermented cabbage. Traditionally, sauerkraut is made with green cabbage, but at Very OK, we're taking a fresh and colorful approach by incorporating red cabbage into the mix. Click on the link in the description to check out our tutorial video on making green and red cabbage sauerkraut. Remember, every recipe is an adventure, and every meal is an opportunity to nourish our bodies. Here's to good food, good health, and good times. So give a thumbs up if you appreciate our content, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos. We encourage you to share our content with your friends and family. Thank you for watching. Very OK.